Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your WoW account password. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $100 Visa reward. If you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the page. Click on the option that says Billing and Payment. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Billing Preferences. Click on Billing Preferences. On this page, you will see a section for automatic payments. Under it is a button that says Autopay Settings. Click on Autopay Settings. At the middle part of this page, you will see a button for Turn Autopay Off. Click on Turn Autopay Off. Now, confirm that you want to turn off Autopay. To proceed, click on Turn Autopay Off. And now, you will see a message saying that the Autopay enrollment has been disabled. That's how you unenroll from Autopay on WoW Online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.